Eisenhower dollars made at Philadelphia and Denver for circulation. Not many know that San Francisco made the rarest of all, and they're silver. Silver's been up to 25+% over the last few days, weeks, etc. It's time to jump in and get some silver. We found some at great prices. We're bringing out the blue pack, Eisenhower dollars. And tonight it's a hoard. There are only 4 dates in the series for blue pack Eisenhower dollars, and these are the 4, 1971 through 1974. And tonight's deal is buy 4, get all 4, one of each date, but they're $14.95 each. So if you want to join us with one, first year of issue 1971, jump in and grab one of these right away at this low price of $14.95 each. It is a great, great deal.
Well, again, the Eisenhower is that last jumbo dollar, right? We had the Morgan and Peace in circulation, the 38.1 millimeter coin, and we brought back the size of the dollar. But the Eisenhower in circulation was clad. The P's and the D's were clad. 8 P's, 8 D's, those 16 coins were clad. So when people say, well, the Eisenhower silver dollar, that's incorrect. Well, it's incorrect everywhere but exactly here right now, because San Francisco did strike silver Eisenhowers. They did it 2 ways, unk and proof. The unk was in the blue pack. The proof was in that proof set lens or brown pack because the box was brown. But they made silver. That's all San Francisco did. So in 1971, there were 3 coins, right, in uncirculated condition. A P, a D, the rarest one S. Every year, all 4 of these years, the silver unk is the rarer of the unks. But here's the best part. Look at the prices we're at. Not 17, not 19, that we've boasted about many, many a times. This deal we brought in gives us the ability to be under $15. But here's how we're going to do it.
Buy one, $14.95. You get the first year of issue, the 1971. But if you buy 4, folks, you're going to be guaranteed to get every single year of issue in the blue pack hoard, which is 1971 through 1974. So that quantity of 4 at $14.95 each will guarantee you all 4 dates. Now, our competition, they're $56.95 each. That is for one of these random dates in the hoard of blue packs. But we're at $14.95 each. In fact, you can buy 2 and still be less than their 1. You can buy 3, be very close.
Bottom line is this, for the 4-piece set, as you referenced that, if you buy 4 tonight or multiples of 4, you'll get 71 through 74 across the board, right? If you buy 1 from them, you're over 60. You buy 4 from us, you're at 60.
Right.
So basically, it's a BOGO, BOGO, BOGO. Buy 1, get 4 versus, again, but they do have them available in capsules for like $3 less, which means when these packages broke, because they're poly packs like the old proof sets, they put them in capsules. But even those are in the mid-50s.
Right. And
ours are the original government packaging, and tonight under 20, under 15.
Under $15 each. And again, Steve just referenced, in the original government packaging, in that original cellophane, with that blue pack envelope, the industry terms it as a blue pack because it comes in that envelope as issued by the Mint in 71, 2, 3, and 4, plus that original seal. You'll see that Eisenhower seal with the uncirculated. It's a blue seal there, part of the poly pack. It's 2 separate pieces inside that sealed poly. Original government packaging all the way, under $15 each. And so your choice, if you want to join us with one, thank you. You'll get first year of issue, under $15 a coin, savings of over $40 from our competition. But getting that quantity of the 4 is the way to go tonight. 905-5172, that's the item number. Mention to the operator, quantity of 4, you're going to get all 4 dates. If you're shopping online, avccoins.com, enter that item number in the search bar, put in that quantity of 4, and you're guaranteed every date you see, 71 through 74, the rarest of each year of issue on the uncirculated side. Philadelphia, Denver, 1971, they made 47 million Philadelphias, 68 million Denvers, just 6.8 million San Franciscos. And that's the highest mintage of all the years on the San Francisco side.
I think if you look at 72, it's not much different. 75 million Ps, 92 million Ds, and 2.1 million S's. You get the point. The S unk is the key coin. Good question, Hunter. So if you're buying 10, you'll get 2 sets of 4, which is 8, and then you get 2 random coins of the 4 to make up the rest. So if you're ordering in multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc., you'll get sets of 4 each way through. You're not going to get a set of 4 and the other 6 will all be the same year. Not what we're going to do. We're going to give you groupings of 4 all the way through. So if you buy one again, you'll get the first year, the silver Ike uncirculated, the rarest coin of year 1 in uncirculated. But if you buy multiples of 4, you're going to get the 4, and there are only 4.
That's what's really important to remember here, that these were not released into circulation. They were made especially for collectors in this original government packaging, as you see. They were not put out there. Philadelphia's and Denver's were put out there in circulation. Those were the clads. These are the special silvers just made out of San Francisco. You'll see that San Francisco mint mark as well. Not many people knew about them. That's why it's often termed as the quote-unquote secret silver Eisenhower. They didn't have the internet back then. If you saw the paper ad, there wasn't even a fax machine. There was no email. There was no Twitter. It didn't get out like news gets out nowadays.
I remember seeing in my local bank when I was growing up. I grew up in Green Bay, Wisconsin. In the local bank that we had, I remember seeing the bicentennials, right? The 3-piece bicentennial sets. But I did not see the 71 through 74 blue packs or brown packs being made available. So either you were at a show and the government was at a show, or you walked into the San Francisco Mint. But I don't recall seeing these anywhere. And again, that's why they call them the secret, even though they weren't secret. It's just the information flow isn't like today. I push a button and 1 million people see what I said. We used to have to wait to have Walter Cronkite tell us what was going on in the news on a daily basis at this time in history.
And in fact, these are even rarer than those 76 issues. Those were over 11 million in 1976, the silver uncirculated issues. The highest mintage on these is 9.8 million, or 6.8 million, I'm sorry. The lowest is under, both 2 dates under 2 million and one just over 2. So they're the rarest of the unks.
And again, the
right
76
here.
silver sells for more money. Can anybody figure that one out other than it's the bicentennial, special story, etc.? Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. So let's wrap up the conversation, shall we? 3 coins were made in 1971 in uncirculated condition. P's and D's that were clad dollars, released as we saw them, those of us that are old enough to remember them, right? And then San Francisco made a very special silver version. So there is a silver Eisenhower, a silver dollar Eisenhower. This is it. They only packaged it like this. So many of you might have seen this Ike in a poly pack like this, but usually they're in the middle. Those are repacks. The government logo or little medallion, the blue medallion that says Eisenhower, is all part of the deal. But this is the best part. If you buy 1, you get the 71. You buy 4, you get all 4.
If you buy 8, you'll get the quantities, 2 of each. It's all in multiples of 4. I see a lot of 8s going. I see a lot of 12s going. Quantity of 12, you get 3 sets, exactly as you see, 1 of each date. That quantity for under $15, saving over $40 a piece with our competition. Guys, you got to join us. This one is moving fast.